I wonder how many people are gonna do this over and over again because it's super addicting. Hey guys, you like the brow action? Well, if you can tell that there's something different about me today, it's because I don't have my brows done. I always do my brows off camera and they come with them filled in and carved out and looking amazing. Well, today I'm going to show you guys how I fill in my brows, and we're going to be using the new Benefit Brow Contour pen. So this pen is actually really interesting. It kind of reminds me of those pens back when you were like a little kid. You know, like when you have like the black ink and the blue ink and the red ink and the green ink. Well, Benefit decided to make it into a brow pencil. So this is actually going to be pretty interesting. Before we get into the actual tutorial, I kind of want to just read the claims and kind of show you the product, and then we'll dive right in. All right, the Brow Contour Pro claims that this is a 4-in-1 contour pencil, instantly gives you clean, shaped brows with definition and dimension. Okay, so that's cool. So it has 4 different colors in this. So the first color is a lighter shade, and that's the shade that they claim for you to start with, and that's supposed to go in the inner corner of your eye. Then it is a deeper shade that's supposed to go in the outer corner of your eye. Then there's a color that's supposed to define and clean up the edges. And then there's a lighter color that's supposed to highlight your brow bone. All right, we're gonna open up the product and we're going to take a look at the pencil. So it looks like this. So I don't know if you see it, you can like click and you get one color. You click again, another color, and so on and so forth. I got mine in the color brown black deep. So if you're interested to see how I use this product and how I fill in my brows, keep on watching. All right, now that we're zoomed in, you guys are gonna get a up close and personal look of my eyebrows. I have naturally thick eyebrows, so I have a lot to work with. Not everyone though is going to have as much as I have to work with, but I personally love myself with a really bold brow. So this is what I'm working with now. I do say that it is easier to get a better looking brow if your brows are already shaped or waxed. If you have something to kind of guide you. If you don't really have a shape and your brows aren't really trimmed and clean and maintenance, it will be harder to get one of those like really neat looking Instagram kind of brows, which is what everyone be trying to obtain. So just keep that in mind when you are doing your own brows. That will be easier if you already have a defined shape. So I am going to go in with the deeper shade of the 4. That one right there. So I had to actually go get a spoolie because this does not come with one. So I'm just using the spoolie from my NYX micro brow pencil that I normally use to fill in my brows, and I'm going to comb through. All right, so the easiest way to fill in your brows is to first comb your brow hairs up. I actually like to start from the bottom and then work my way down. So we're gonna brush our brow hairs up. Ooh, isn't that interesting? So in order to get the product out, because when you push it up, there's no product, you have to twist it and then your product comes out. So that's interesting. The only thing I don't like is that it's not pointy, it's flat. So that should be interesting. I like to draw a line starting from the beginning of my brow all the way to the tail, like so. And I like to extend it just a little bit, like so. So then what I like to do is taking my spoolie, I like to brush down my hairs, like so. And then taking that same pencil in the dark shade, we're going to line the top, but we're only going to go halfway in. So we're not going to line the top front, we're only going to line from halfway to the bottom and connect at the end. Then we're going to take the spoolie and we're going to brush our hairs normally, like the way that we would normally brush our hairs. So brush our hairs back up and swoop it. Then we're going to take that dark pencil, and then now I like to fill my tail. Alright, so that's what we have so far. Now we're going to switch colors and we're going to go to the lighter shade. So and we're going to very lightly fill in some of these sparse areas in the front by doing hair-like strokes. Alright, now we're going to go into the brow definer color and we're going to carve this out and clean up these edges. So this shade is more of my skin tone. So it's going to help us kind of clean this up and make this super sharp and looking extra fleeky. Y'all like that? I like that. Alright, now that I have that line, I'm going to actually take a flat concealer brush, really tiny one, and kind of blend out these edges. Alright, so that is what we're working with now after we carved it out using the definer color. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into that highlight color and just highlight our brow bone. When highlighting your brow bone, you only want to place the highlight underneath the arch of your eyebrow. Don't bring it too far in. So right here, so about midway to about right here before the end of your tail is where you want to highlight. So now that we place that color, I'm going to go back into that flat concealer brush that I used to blend out the definer color, and I'm going to just blend out that highlighted color. Alright, so now that we have a highlight color in place, I am going to take my Benefit Ready Set Brow and I'm going to set that in place. This is a clear brow gel and it's just going to make sure that my hairs and the product don't move all day and all night. That is how I fill in my brows using the new Benefit Contour Pro. I'm going to fill in my other brow off camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, and that's it. This is me with both my brows done. And this is my quick, simple, easy eyebrow tutorial using the new Benefit Brow Contour Pro. My thoughts on this pencil is kind of lit. So it retails for $34, and $34 for 4 Benefit products I feel like is an amazing deal, because I think that one of the pencils is either $21 or $24 off the top of my head. So $21 or $24 for one color and $34 for 4 colors. How can you beat that? And it does come in 5 colors. The 5 colors are as followed. They do have a blonde light, then they have a brown light, then they have a brown medium, then they have a brown black light, and then what I got, which is the brown black deep. I don't know about you guys, but my brows on fleek. But there it is. So for all you people who kept hitting me up on some, oh, when are you gonna do a brow tutorial? Voila, there it is. You're welcome. With that being said, thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you want to support your girl, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that button down below. Hit that notification and let me know that you're here, and let me know that you're supporting me. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.